Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Lords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse and it's conquering. Alright, so the flashback was of Umabusi and the decisions that she had made, right? Ukuthi qabanga ukuthi uNokubonga can't stay nozamxolo when she dies and stuff like that. But now Umthembu has given her another opportunity and she is alive. Girl is alive and kicking, right? With that said, she is now a healer. She's in an industry. Yo, Nkosi yami. Did you hear me? Industry for this art. But you get me, right? Yeah, so she is in that field of healing people, right? And Diana, she's not a fake healer, she is a real healer because nje hlanganisa ukuyela hlanganise kuhlangane athi phola mzimba. So because of that, she was asked to heal uMamZobe. Phakathwayo asked her, you know what, I've heard people saying you are a healer, people saying so much testimonies regarding your work. Can you also heal your mother? Unfortunately, she tried. Hey, wakhuluma nesangoma wakhuluma nesikhwama. Uyisangoma, guys. Yo, uqala nakela wakhuluma nesangoma wakhuluma neyikhwama. Then ikhwama ke nomvelasi bangamuzwa kwaba mnyama too. So Kulobo Mnyama went to Phakathwayo and told him ukuthi I can't take care of my mom. I can't heal her basically. Abhekele leso sigaqa ke ahambe ke Phakathwayo afonele isibhedlela hambiyana Phakathwayo fikiyana esibhedlela mtshela ukuthi medical aid has been depleted. Ama-funds they are no longer available. Phakathwayo amangala ukuthi I'm paying on a monthly basis but hayi sebenzi kanjalo right now wena umusokoti. Wena you are a struggler. Your medical aid cannot continue in any way, shape or form. Like it's just downhill for MamZobe from here now. Usibahle ke naye, that's the other thing that is brooming like Umkhokha with how she wants to show off the life that she's living and everything. So umama Kamadondo wathatha everything to say you cannot be living this life and then took the phone, took the clothes, everything, all the glamorous things. But ke uNdlovu agreed naye athi you know what, amelanga sijampise vele your mom is right, you must play it on a down low kanje. But we all know ukuthi uNdlovu umuntu othanda ukubukwa, so I just doubt ukuthi yena himself will play it on the down low kwayena nje uzodlalela phezulu. But when I get angazi tshela mina Umkhokha the Curse, please do like, share, subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you, peace, bye.